Everyone, Brandon Boyd here, a top leader, a chairman at iMarkets Live. I want to show you in detail how to use swipe trades, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. I want to show you how this works, very similar on both. So what I like to do, download swipe trades and MetaTrader 4, put those two icons right next to each other, the apps right next to each other. I like to have them on the front screen so I can see any alerts that come through. Once an alert comes through, it's going to pop up like a text and it's going to show you this. Swipe trades. You can either swipe it to open it, or I just like to press accept. Once you press accept, it's going to show you the trade on swipe trades. So what we're looking here is, you look at symbol at the top first, XAUUSD. That is gold, okay? So what we want to do is open up MetaTrader 4. You want to make sure under quotes at the bottom that it has that on your list. If it does not, you can actually press the plus sign at the top and you can always add that to your list. Now once it's on there, you want to go back here, XAUUSD, and you want to click on trade on your MetaTrader 4 app because you want to open the gold trade, okay? Now, what we're looking for next on swipe trades, we're back on the swipe trades app, is it says trade type. So I'm going to look at trade type and then look at a couple lines down, order type. It is a sell limit. So you're typically going to see sell limit, sell stop, buy limit. These are what's called pending orders. They are not instant execution, which gives you time. So like if you're at work or school, this is going to give you time to actually put in the trade, okay? Very smart setup. So this is a sell limit. So what I want to do is go back to MetaTrader 4. And under market execution, or on an Android, you're typically going to see where it says instant execution. You just click on it to open it up. And what am I going to do? I'm going to actually click on sell limit, okay? Because this is a sell limit trade, all right? Now we go back to swipe trades, so open it back up. On swipe trades, you're going to see where it says entry price 1. This is the first entry. All you're going to do is on the right, click the icon. That means you're going to copy it. You're going to copy the info, 1278.00, okay? You open MetaTrader 4 app, and where it says price, now on an Android, you're just going to see a top line, okay? There's literally a line at the top. That's your entry price, okay? On an iPhone, it says price, 1278.00. It's going to pull up numbers, delete those numbers, and put in the 1278.00. You can either paste it in, or you can just type it in. I think it's easier just so you don't make a mistake. 1278.00. Just paste it in. Okay? Go back to swipe trades. What are we going to look for now? The stop loss. See where it says stop loss? 1281.50. You click the icon to the right. It's now copied. Okay? You go back to MetaTrader 4, and under stop loss, now on an Android, you're going to see a little red line. It's kind of a faint red line. That's your stop. You're going to put it in there. On an iPhone here, 1281.50, okay? 1281.50. So again, on an Android, it's a red line, okay? You go to take profit 1, 1275.00. You copy, you click that icon, you copy that, all right? So you now got that info, it's copied. You go back to MetaTrader 4, and you're going to see take profit. That line on an Android is going to be green. It's a faint green line. Just think of green as profit, think of red as stop loss, okay? Red, stop, all right? So now you've got your price, your stop loss, and your take profit on here, okay? Now the last thing that we want to look at is, see where it says trade size? That is your risk. So when it says 0.03 lots is 1% risk per thousand. So say, for example, that my brokerage account balance was 2,000. What would I put my lot size at? My lot is always my risk. I'd put it at 0.06. Always follow the recommendation swipe trades gives to you, okay? Don't be greedy, all right? And always do demo first. And that's what I'll say on this training is demo, demo, demo until you got this down, okay? So 0.06 per thousand. So all you would do literally is go back and see where it says sell limit, okay? And you're going to see this on an Android as well. See where it says 0.10? That's your risk. That's your lot size. I would change it to 0.06, okay? In this case, if I had 2,000, all right? So, same thing that you do. Now, we also have a swipe trade alert telegram. Make sure you're going to find this on iMail Train or get it from the person who invited you to the company. This is where we give the layman's terms of each trade. We give trade updates and trade alerts. So, for example, let's look at this. See where it shows you have 2 entry prices and then you have 3 take profits? What do you do in that scenario? all you do is you go back to MetaTrader 4 and you put the trade in again. So you literally repeat the process on an iPhone or Android on what you did on that first step. So what you do is you grab entry price 2 and take profit 2. So I just go back in here and put that information in. I can go back, and if I wanted to do it a third time, again, we keep that risk low. I could grab entry price 1 again, the stop loss, and take profit 3. Does that make sense? That's why we say in here under the Swipe Trade Alert Telegram, there's 2 entries and there's 3 take profits. So technically, you could put in the trade 3 times if you wanted to, okay? So guys, this is how Swipe Trades works. We also have an ebook on this for iPhone English, iPhone Spanish, Android English, and Android Spanish on imltraining.com so that you can actually see the alerts with what I just showed you on 2 different phones. But again, very similar. What you're going to see on Swipe Trades on an iPhone and Android. The difference is what you're actually going to see on this screen on MetaTrader 4. You're going to see the price line at the top. You're going to see the stop loss with a red line on an Android and the take profit on a green. Now, when you click place, that's what's going to submit what's called the pending order. You just click place. And once it hits that target point, which is the entry, it's going to place the trade. If you see the numbers in black, that means it's still pending to hit that target. If all of a sudden the numbers on your screen turn red or they turn blue, that means the trade is actually executed, okay? So guys, this is how to use Swipe Trades in details. Brandon Boyd signing off. Have a great day, everyone.